This is Mamatasan Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, we are going to select the top plane. In the top plane, we are going to draw this rectangle. And this rectangle has a dimension of 40 by 40 unit. Okay, then I look going to extrude boss it to in this upper surface, and this has the extrude boss of 10 unit. Then we in the top face we'll going to draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 40 unit by 10 unit. Then we'll going to extrude boss it to 40 minus 10 unit, so it will be extrude boss it to 30 unit. Okay, then in here we have another rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 40 by 10 unit. Then I will extrude boss it to in this way, and it has extrude boss of 30 minus 10 unit, so it has extrude boss of 20 unit. After that, we can see we'll draw a triangle here, and again we'll draw another triangle here, and these two triangle here too, and here the distance is 40 minus 20 divided by 2, so this distance is 10 unit, and this distance is also 10 unit. Okay, and from this point to this point is automatically 10 unit. Then I will extrude cut this into this way. After that, we can see we have a circle, and this circle is along the this midpoint. Okay, and it has a vertical distance of 20 unit, then it has a diameter of 10 unit. Then I'll do is to cut it to through all. So here to here the distance is 20 minus 10, so it is 10 unit. So here to here is also 10 unit. Okay, in this way we'll draw the model. So first of all, let's go to SolidWorks and select the top plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it, then select the corner rectangle and place the corner rectangle here, and now dimension it to 40 by 40 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 10 units. So I am going to extrude boss it to 10 unit. Now press OK. Now select this upper face, now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle, and now selecting the corner rectangle from here and placing the corner rectangle here, and this corner rectangle has a dimension of 40 by 10 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 40 minus 10 unit, so it will be 30 unit. So we are going to extrude boss it to 30 unit. Now press OK. Again, in the same way, I am going to select this face, now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Okay, now select the corner rectangle tool again and place this into this corner, and now dimension it to 40 by 10 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 30 minus 10 unit. So I'm going to extrude boss it to 30 minus 10 unit. Okay, now press OK. Now I am going to select this inner face, now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. So I have, if we rotate, we can see we have selected this face. Okay, now if we normal to it, now select the line tool from here. If we want to draw an inclined line according to this point, okay, we are not catching the point. Okay, if you want to see that here is a point here, for that we are going to draw and catch another point, so this is quite much difficulty. So I'm going to press the escape button here and undo this, and now I'm going to rotate here as our sketch plane. This sketch plane has already been selected, so now I am going to select the line tool from here and placing this point here and another point in here. By this way we will going to draw an inclined line uh, for easy drawing. So I'm selecting this point in the same way. So select the line tool and place this to this point and this upper horizontal line. Draw an inclined line. Okay, now normal to it. So we can see we have drawn two inclined line. Now select this point dimension tool and place this point and this vertical line as distance reference, and the distance is, we can say, 40 minus 20 divided by 2, so it will be 10 unit. So in the same way we can also dimension this 2 point to 10 units. So this also has a distance of 10 unit. Now select the smart dimension tool, now select the line tool and draw the triangle. Okay, our one triangle is done, and in the same way we're going to draw another triangle. So we have drawn all the triangle. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now we're going to extrude cut it to the other side. Okay, now press OK. So our extrude cut has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now select this surface. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the circle tool from here and placing the circle to the at the mid center line point. Okay, and this circle has a dimension of 10 diameter, so dimension to 10 diameter. Now select smart dimension tool, and from this circle center line to this horizontal line the dimension is 20 unit, so dimension it to 20 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all. So we're going to extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So this portion also has been done. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.